This is the 2012 Dodge Journey RT with all-wheel drive. It has just under 128,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have a 3.6-liter V6 engine putting out 283 horsepower and has 260 pound-feet of torque. Taking a look at the interior of this Journey, you have power mirrors, power windows, and power locks. You also have storage along the bottom of the door. And over here you have your power driver seat controls, as well power lumbar support. And your interior seating is a black leather. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. And this vehicle is push button start. So we'll start it up. You can see there we have 127,525 kilometers. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights, as well as a button for your fog lights, and your dimming dial for your gauges and interior lights. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio controls, as well as your controls for your display by the gauges, and your audio source controls on the back of the steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, as well as volume controls on the back of the steering wheel there. On your touchscreen display here, you have your AM/FM radio, satellite radio, as well USB and auxiliary in. As we move down, you have your dual zone climate controls, as well heated driver and passenger seating, a SD card slot, and your CD player. Power outlet there, and this is an automatic transmission. In the center console, lots of storage with a removable tray where you'll find another power outlet along with your auxiliary in and USB port. Up on top you have your moonroof. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. You also have your auto-dimming rear view mirror there. Taking a closer look at the exterior, you have your Bridgestone tires on 19-inch chrome alloy rims by Dodge. And we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And we'll check out the rear of the vehicle. You do have intelligent access on the front driver and passenger door handles, as well your rear privacy glass and roof rack and rails on top. On the back you have your Journey and all-wheel drive badges, as well as your RT trim badge. And this vehicle is equipped with remote keyless entry, as well as OEM remote start. So you are just going to want to make sure it is locked, and then you'll hit the button twice on the key fob. And it will start right up for you. And then to shut it off, you just hold down the button again. And now we'll take a look at the trunk. Lots of cargo space here in the back. You do have your third row seating here in the Journey, which does fold down for additional storage. Power outlet on the left-hand side, as well as a flashlight for your convenience. Additional storage underneath here. And to fold down your third row, you can simply pull up on the strap here, push the seat down. Same with the left-hand side. Pull up on the strap, push it down, and then you have extra storage space for whatever you need to carry around. Taking a look at the rear interior, you have your power windows, storage along the bottom of the door, lots of legroom here in the back. You do have storage in the floor on both sides. Here you'll find your audio-visual inputs, power outlet, as well, plug in there. You do have storage along the back of the driver's seat. Up top here, you'll find your rear climate controls, as well. Single roof mounted screen with remote, and 2 sets of headphones are included. As you can see, rear interior also in great condition. In the middle, you have cup holders. And if you want to access your 3rd row seating, pull on the lever here, push the seat forward, and then you have access to your 3rd row seating. And if you want to find out more about this vehicle, you can check us out online at parkmazda.ca. And while you're there, you can fill out a test drive form, come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles award miles. Also be sure to check us out on social media at Park Mazda on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.